Hello dear students, I hope you all are healthy, active and optimistic at your home even in these days of pandemic. So in the last chapter we discussed about what are living things, non-living things, characteristics, differences and certain characteristics in depth for living things and even non-living things. I hope you have mastered by listening these again and again, right? I am happy that even when I conducted test, many of the students have got good response and I appreciate that even for parents also. So the same thing should be continued till the school reopens. So dear students, in today's class, that is we are going to switch on to the next chapter, that is human body. Even this is very interesting topic. You know, science itself, it is very interesting and practical subject. So today we are going to study about ourselves, the human body, how it is framed, everything. That is the part 1. I have explained you about what is a cell, tissue, organ system and then organism. And one organism we are going to deal in detail, it is human beings. So today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic, and do you know one thing? Today there is a special guest in Manasa International School waiting from 4 days to meet you all. I just requested management, sir, until the guest comes, I am not going to continue this class. So, like at the last, even they cooperated and the guest is here. So just close your eyes, there is a special guest who want to meet you all. Okay, the special guest is here. Just it's waving the hand. Hi, hello students, how are you? I hope all are safe in this pandemic. Are you saying the special guest of Manasa International School? Yes, even it know how to talk also. Hello. Hello dear students, how are you? Yeah, joke apart, in this class we are going to study about skeletal system. That is under the heading human body. Some aspects of human skeletal system is been discussed. So dear students, it's very much interesting to know about our body. What are bones, what are joints and what are muscles, right? So first, did you enjoy the special guest? Yes, of course, I believe. Yeah. Now we'll be back to the serious explanation part. So skeletal system. So we have our skeletal system, right? It's a framework for our body. Just imagine human body without skeletal system. It would have been just a lump of muscles, right? No bones, no joints, no muscles, right? What would have been the human body? It would have been the mass of muscles and no shape, right? So this human skeletal system which is a framework, gives shape and support to our body, right? So here, just have a look here. So this is the complete skeletal system of man. After death, like if the person died after death, right? If he is buried or burned, after a few months, all the muscles will be decomposed. Okay, it will be eaten by the decomposers or some of the animals, burrowing animals, so and so. So finally, we will be having the skeleton. So this is the skull, right? This is the upper jaw, lower jaw, shoulder, okay, arms, like 2 arms, the upper arm, right, and we have hands, then fingers, then this is a rib cage, and we have vertebral column, right, this is a vertebral column where the spine cord is present. Next we have girdles, that is pelvic girdle, okay, that is the hip part, right. And then we have legs or the limbs, what we call. This is forelimb and this is hind limb. And this what we have the knee, leg and the fingers. Okay. So this is a basic structure for grade 3. But when you go for grade 9 or something, still more in details. Each and every small bone, we have a scientific term, and now it's very difficult to learn and keep it in memory. So just the basic differentiation or like the names what it is given, you just remember. I'll repeat once again. This is the skull, okay? Upper jaw, lower jaw, right? That is the shoulder bone. That is arm, upper arm, right? Rib cage. Then we have hands. Then vertebral column, okay, where the spinal cord is present. Then we have hip girdle, or it's called pelvic girdle, right? Then it is leg, is a femur bone for extra information. And next we have the leg and there's the fingers, right? This is a basic differentiation of the skeletal system. So we have the human adults. Human adults, they have 206 bones, right? Human adults have 206 bones. Yes, my dear students, I was telling you that human adult, that is adults, they have 206 bones, whereas the baby, okay, they'll have 300 bones, right? I'll come to this point later, and before that we should know the difference between bones and muscles, right? What is the difference between bones and muscles? So for example, look at this picture, I mean the specimen. So this is a bone, right? It's very hard. You can just touch the skull, your head. It's very hard, right? And also the bones of your hand, the bones of your leg, the elbow. It's very hard. So what we can say is bones, they are hard, okay? They can't bend. They can't bend. But whereas the muscles just touch your cheek, right? Just touch your hand, right? They are soft. The muscles are soft. See, the muscles, they just enclose on the bone, which helps in movement, right? These muscles help in movement. I'll repeat. See, the bones are hard. For example, look at this specimen here. The bones are very hard. And the live example, you can touch your skull, right? Your hands, your elbow, your knee, right? All the bones, like, they are very hard, okay? And they are